watching you stack them shells real slow. Head empty like the boxes down below. Been here since 8, still can't get it right. Manager screaming but you just ain't bright. Minimum wage got your mind in chains. Can't even count the change, it's plain insane. Education system did you wrong. Now you're stuck here where you don't belong. Dead and queen, system keep you clean. Trapped in the loop, you know what I mean. Dead and queen, living in between. Rock bottom and that same old routine. Failed you in class, passed you anyway. Now basic math got you in dismay. Can't read the signs, can't follow the rules. System churning out minimum tools. Looking lost in your uniform. Following orders is your only norm. Teacher said you'll make it someday, but all you making is mistakes all day. Dead and queen, system keep you clean. Trapped in a loop, you know what I mean. Dead and queen, living in between. Rock bottom in the same old routine. What you gonna do when the lights go down? Streets calling with a different crown. Where you gonna run when the cash runs dry? Different hustle, same old lie. Now you working corners after dark. Different uniform, same old mark. System pushed you right off the edge. Now you selling what you got left to pledge. Ain't no difference in the trade, just another way to get paid. Dead and queen with a new domain. Different prison, same old chain. Dead and queen, system